Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification because today we are diving into a step-by-step roadmap to become data scientist in 2025, which is, I know, one of the most demanding and rewarding career of the decade. So let's get started without any further delay. So what exactly is data science? Simply putting in words, then, it is a field that combines statistics, programming, and domain knowledge to extract meaningful insights from data. Think of data scientists as a detective who can analyze patterns, solve problems, and even predict the future using data, which is very cool. But how do you become one? This is the question. So let's break it down into actionable steps that will help you to get hold of it quickly. Number first, master the fundamental. First thing first is that you need to be strong in the programming part. Python is good to go language for data science. It is beginner friendly and has tons of libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib that will make the data manipulation and visualization very easy. So you can start with free resources online, or you can take a structured course that will help you to build your programming skills. Learn the basics of probability, linear algebra, and hypothesis testing. And I'm saying all these things to learn. Why? Because these concepts will help you to make the sense of data you will be analyzing. And that is very important. So don't worry if maths isn't your strongest part. You can start small, practice consistently, and you will get the hang of it in the end. So don't worry about that part. Then comes working in the real world data. And this is the fun part, I'm telling you. Working with real world data will really help you, and you will learn how to clean messy data, deal with missing values, and explore data sets. So tools like Excel, tools like Tableau, Python, libraries like Seaborn will help you to visualize your findings effectively and get hands-on experience with industry level project. Basically, to truly stand out, working on a project is very important. Work on the project that really showcase your skills. Analyze public data set, predict trends, or even build a recommendation system if you can. Document these projects in GitHub to create a portfolio that will impress the employers. So you can showcase this to them and they will get impressed. So if you are looking for a structured and beginner friendly way to learn data science, Internshala offers an amazing data science course that ensures you to be job ready. And what all they offer? First thing, they guarantee a placement with minimum stipend of 40,000 after graduating from their course. Number second, dual certification, an industry recognized certificate which is recognized by 180k plus companies from Internshala training, and plus the certification from NSDC and Skill India, which is a government certificate. Then they offer hands-on learning with industry level projects to help you to build a strong portfolio. And the best part is that they also offer 100% placement assistance, including mock interviews, CV drafting, and soft skill training, which is very important. So I will leave the link of this course in the description. So if you are interested, do check it out. Dive into machine learning. Once you are comfortable with data, step into the world of machine learning. Learn how algorithm like linear regression, decision tree, k-means work. So platforms like Kaggle are great for practice and competition that challenge you to solve real world problems. Understand career and scope opportunity. Data science offer huge career opportunity with high salary potential depending upon your expertise, of course. So you can land roles such as data analyst, which is an entry level role, machine learning engineer, AI specialist, business intelligence analyst, and there are like a lot of roles when it comes to data. So with experience, you can start earning from like 8 LPA to 15 LPA, and top professionals who are like much experienced, they earn up to 25 LPA or more. In the end, I'll say that network and keep learning. Networking is very important. Join data science communities on LinkedIn, attend webinars, and connect with industry professionals who are into this. And don't stop learning. See, data science evolves rapidly, so upskilling is very important in this field. So final thought, to sum it up everything, becoming a data scientist in 2025 is absolutely achievable. Focus on building your skills step by step. Don't jump. Work on real world project as I mentioned, and don't forget to network and stay updated all the time. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your data scientist friends and who are looking for the data scientist role, and let me know in the comment section what is your biggest takeaway from this video. Until next time, till then, keep learning, keep growing and learn data science. See you in the next one. Bye bye.